In the heart of New York City, something unexpected unfolded. A surprise snowstorm hit in the middle of July. The streets, normally bustling, were eerily quiet. People peered out of their windows, astonished. Social media flooded with photos and theories. Some claimed it was a glitch in the climate system. Others blamed a secret government experiment. Despite the chaos, children played, building tiny snowmen. Snowplows roared to life ahead of schedule. Meteorologists scratched their heads, puzzled. The storm lasted only a few hours, disappearing as quickly as it came. Life resumed, but with a new story shared. The mystery remained unsolved, yet the buzz continued. New Yorkers now had a tale of summer snow to retell. Photos of snow-laden taxis became instant collectibles. And so, the legend of Summer Snowstorm 2023 was born.